Windows updates. Is your winre.wim the latest? To check if your winre.wim file is the latest version, you can follow these steps. 1. Mount the winre image. Open command prompt as an administrator. Create a directory to mount the image. cmd mdc:\mount\winre. Mount the winre.wim file. cmd/mount/wim/wim file c:\windows/system32/recovery/winre. wim/index1/mount_dir:\mount\winre2. Check the version. Once the image is mounted, you can check the version of the winre.wim file. cmd/image c:\mount\winre/get packages. Look for the package with the highest version number. This will give you an idea of the latest update applied to the winre image. 3. Unmount the image. After checking the version, unmount the image. cmd/unmount_dir:\mount\winre/discard. Alternatively, you can check the version. Directly from the registry. 1. Open registry editor. 2. Navigate to plaintext HKey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/winre3. Look for the winre version value to see the version number. These steps should help you determine if your winre.wim is up to date.